How to open a YouTube video using QR code. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily open a YouTube video using your QR code. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your YouTube and find the video from which you want to scan the QR code. Go ahead and tap on the video. So for example, let's just tap this one. And once you open up the video, you're going to tap on share. And now from here, you can just copy link. Now you're going to have to generate a QR code for this particular video. For that, tap on this and go ahead and tap on Google. Now just search for QR code generator. And once you search for it, you can just browse through these and tap on the first one that you see. And what you're going to do now is simply tap on this URL option. So go ahead and tap on the URL, and you're going to have to paste the URL right here. So I'm just going to paste it here and tap on generate QR code. So once you do that, your QR code will be generated. Now just tap on the first one that you see. And if you want, you could just do no frame and then download this JPG. Now just tap on it and it will start downloading your file. And if you don't want to download, you could just take a screenshot of this. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and open up Google Lens. So just tap on Google and then tap on the lens option. So I'm just going to go ahead and open a new tab here. And on the top here, you will see the lens. And here I have selected the image, so the downloaded image, or you could just tap on the screenshot and it will show you the link. Now you could just head over to this website option and it will direct you to that particular YouTube video. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.